Introducing Containerized Decanter Centrifuge processing systems by Allied Industrial Dynamics. Experience the pinnacle of solids and liquid separation with our mobile self-contained turnkey solution. Tailored to meet specific client requirements across diverse industries, from tunneling and boring to food manufacturing, water treatment, and beyond. Every containerized processing system features centrifuges and automated control systems manufactured by Allied Industrial Dynamics and are assembled right here in North America. These systems are meticulously designed to client specifications, integrating polymer or premixing tanks, pumps, and additional supporting equipment. Our plug-and-play design ensures straightforward setup and dismantling, providing unparalleled mobility for dynamic sites and easy transportation between locations. Discover bespoke solutions for all your processing equipment needs with Allied Industrial Dynamics. Dynamic solutions for the processing world.